Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Vena vCommute Pro for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And this is designed in Minnesota, so it's designed in the USA. And here's the case right here. So here's what it looks like all the way around. You have your power button, your MagSafe right here, and there's a hidden feature of this case. It's actually a removable MagSafe wallet from this case. So this part stays on your phone and it protects all the inside, outside, and it has really good drop protection as well. Okay, and then you have the MagSafe wallet, as you can see, designed in Minnesota. And here's the wallet. So you can slip your cards and cash right in there. But this also does one more thing. Once you place it back in the case and it snaps into location right there, you can peel this cover off. So you can use it in the case or you can take it out and you just flip this over like this and it's got magnets and then you can set it like that in landscape mode. So you can use your iPhone 14 Pro Max in landscape, and it's a wallet as well that is removable. I really like the feel and the quality of the materials used for this case. It does not feel cheap, which I like because it has the MagSafe wallet built in. And you can use this with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.